First of all, Kurt Schwitters. He's a German artist working between the two wars, so roughly 1912-13 to Second World War and a little bit beyond. He made paintings that incorporated bits of wood, paper and anything he could find. And this came on the back of working with other artists who just felt that it should be more open, that you shouldn't need to have necessarily a pot of paint. You should be able to introduce other things. And it was kind of almost like little mini sculptures. He's a really inspiring guy because he was inspired by other people and this idea that the creative sort of drive in anyone is there. And all you've got to do is put bits and bobs together and your eye and your brain and your type of cognition will find a pattern. So the second artist is Robert Rauschenberg, who's an American painter, but he worked through the sort of 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. And he used all these found materials. He felt that, following on from Schwitters, an artwork might as well use real objects. He really wasn't into this idea of creating a pretend reality in the picture. He really wanted to join up people across the world to explore ideas. So not only make it open in terms of materials, but open in terms of everybody should be doing art. So this is quite an inspiring place to start from. So I created a workshop which will be held on the 13th of September at the Kirkgate, exploring this idea of collage, inspired by Rauschenberg and Schwitters. We'll be composing our own pieces, but I'll take you through it step by step. It can be inspired by any of your own ideas, but there'll be plenty of inspirational material that I'll bring along. Hopefully see you there.